Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, your go-to destination for the latest in technology. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're stepping into the world of photography or vlogging, we've got you covered. As always, you can find the links to purchase these cameras in the description below and the first comment. Now let's dive into the world of visual storytelling. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Nikon D3500 with the AF-P DX NIKKOR 18 to 55mm lens. This DSLR is as user-friendly as a point-and-shoot, but packs a punch in performance. Let's explore its features. A DSLR that's as easy to use as a point-and-shoot camera, making it perfect for beginners. Compact and comfortable design, ideal for travel and special events. An image sensor that's 15 times larger than typical smartphones, ensuring sharper and clearer pictures. Seamless photo sharing with Nikon's SnapBridge app via a compatible smartphone or tablet. Capture 1080 Full HD videos with monaural sound at the touch of a button. Bluetooth version 4.1 for easy connectivity. For a closer look at the Nikon D3500, make sure to check the links in the description for exclusive insights and reviews. Sliding into the fourth spot is the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. This APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless log camera is a powerhouse for content creators. Let's uncover why it's a favorite among beginners. A large 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor coupled with a fast Bions X processor for exceptional image quality. 4K movie capabilities oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, eliminating pixel binning. Product showcase setting for seamless transitions between focusing on faces and objects. Background defocus button for toggling defocus effects on or off. Effortless live streaming with a single USB cable, requiring no extra hardware or software. Discover more about the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Securing the third spot is the Fujifilm X-T32 body. This camera is a testament to assured image quality, incredible focusing, and advanced video capabilities. Let's delve into what makes it a standout choice. Assured image quality with a 4th-generation X-Trans CMOS 4-back illuminated sensor, minimizing noise and extending sensitivity to ISO 160. Incredible focusing in all conditions with the X processor 4 quad-core CPU, offering fast and accurate autofocusing in as little as 0.02 seconds. Advanced video and imaging controls, including the ability to record 4K video at 30 frames per second or 240 frames per second at 1080p for super slow motion effects. A vintage aesthetic charm with dial-based operation and a compact, lightweight body. Fujifilm's film simulation modes, offering in-camera control over various aspects of your visual style. Unearth the Fujifilm X-T32 body's potential by checking the links in the description for exclusive insights and reviews. Gliding into the second spot is the Olympus ON System EM10 Mark IV. This Micro Four Third system camera is a silver marvel equipped with features perfect for beginners. Let's explore what makes it a top contender. A 20 megapixels live MOS sensor for detailed and vibrant images. Always-on connection and background connection via Bluetooth and OI-Share smartphone app. A flip-down monitor and dedicated selfie mode, automatically activating when the monitor is flipped down. In-body, 5-axis image stabilization, capable of 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation for crisp shots. 16 art filters, 31 types, including new instant film for a nostalgic feel. Digital zoom, 2.0 multiplier _X, optical zoom. 3.0 multiplier _X. Get hands-on with the Olympus ON System EM10 Mark IV by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Claiming the top spot is the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. This camera, with its RF mount, 24.2 megapixels sensor, and 4K video capabilities, is a content creator's dream. Let's unravel the reasons why it's our number one pick. A compact, lightweight RF mount camera housing a 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor and Digic X processor. 4K uncropped movie with dual pixel CMOS AF-2, oversampled from 6K, and full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 frames per second. Dual pixel CMOS AF-2 covering up to 100% x 100% area with 651 AF zones and auto subject detection, and tracking using deep learning technology. Continuous shooting with 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain and 15 frames per second with electronic shutter. Advanced Plus assist for shooting in difficult settings and built-in flash for low-light environments. Immerse yourself in the Canon EOS R50's capabilities by checking the links in the description for exclusive insights and detailed reviews. There you have it, the 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024. Choose the one that fits your style and needs. Links for purchasing are in the description and the first comment. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more tech updates. Until next time, capture those moments and keep exploring the world of gadgets.